Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Vivo Y20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Vivo Y20 and you decide to change or set a favorite wallpaper in your Vivo Y20. In order to do that, there is a two way to change a wallpaper in your Vivo Y20. First one, you're going to go in your device settings section. After that, you're going to click here, home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. After click over there, we're going to see here something say wallpaper. After click over there, we're going to see the default wallpaper currently have your phone. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And then this is the preview how it's going to be looks like. You can easily click here preview and this is how exactly looks like. You can go back and then if you want to apply, you can easily click here apply and that's going to give you option. You can set this to lock screen or set to desktop. I'm going to choose here set to desktop and let me go back and let me see is it set or not. You can see just now I had set wallpaper in my Vivo Y20. Also, there is another way to change a wallpaper in your Vivo Y20. For that, you have to long press in your home screen and then you're going to see there's going to be appear wallpaper. If you click that wallpaper, it will take you the wallpaper section, same previously we had said. Here you can see the pre-loaded wallpaper. If you want to set your favorite wallpaper from your phone, you can easily choose this icon. After click over there, it's going to be appear just like this. If you want to say, for example, I'm going to choose a camera and then I'm going to make this one my wallpaper. You can easily choose this wallpaper how you want to make it. For example, I want to choose this area and then I'm going to click here OK and let me see what else is going to be appear. Let me go back and let me see. You can see just now I had set successfully my wallpaper in Vivo Y20. So this is how you can easily change or set your favorite wallpaper in your Vivo Y20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.